What's up, my really good friends? I hope you are enjoying your day. So we have come a long way together learning Laravel. We know now how to use the controllers and how to pass data to the controllers, and we know how to use the route files, and also we know how to get the information or get data from the database using the model. But before we learn how to insert data in the database, we will first just take a look at the front-end side of Laravel. We want to structure our front-end code to not repeat ourselves more and more. So if we notice that in our views folder, we will find that we made 3 blade files, and in each blade file we have this head section of the file is repeated in each file. So the goal of this video is to write this code in a template and inherit that template. So to do that, we are going to create a new folder like that, and we are going to call it layouts. Okay, and in this layout, we are going to create our template, which is, I like to call it app.blade.php. Okay, so this is our template where we will work on, and we will take the this section from the welcome page or from the welcome blade until we reach the body. So we will cut this, okay, and we will go to the app blade and we will paste this here. Okay, so we are also going to take the footer or the bottom side of the blade and put it in the template. So okay, good. Now we have a template and we have a content here. So we want to merge these things together. First, we are going to extend or inherit that file we want to inherit. So to extend that or to inherit that, we are going to use the blade syntax, extends, okay, and we're going to open a bracket and string quotation, and we want to type the path of the template we are inheriting. So it's in the layouts folder, and inside that we are not going to use the /. Instead, we are going to use the dot, and we are going to type the name of this file, which is app. Okay, so now we are extending this file, but we have a problem that if we go to the app folder, we are not specifying any place we want to put that content in. So if we took this generally, the code will put that content in at the end of this file, and we don't want to do that. We want to put that content in this place inside the body of the HTML file. So to do that, we are going to use also the blade syntax, which is @ and we are going to use the yield keyword, so yield, and we are going to open a bracket, and now we are going to specify a keyword that we are going to use it also in the welcome page. So when Laravel sees that, it will match these keywords and put this on that. Okay, so now we are going to use the content keyword or content variable, for example, to match this word with that. And also we are going to define that content in the blade file. So to do that, we are going to use also the blade syntax, which is @, and we are going to define here a section. And also we are going to call this section as content. Okay, and at the end of the file, we are going to close this section. We can use multiple sections. Section. All right, so now if we refresh our browser, Let's take a look. The welcome, let's check out, let's double check the web. Okay, so in the root, we can go to the welcome blade. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go and go to the welcome blade. Let's delete that and go. And it worked as it was. And that's what we want. We didn't want to change anything. Let's, for example, let's try another thing. Let's go to the about page, which will appear like this. Let's go to the web.php. Let's remove these things. We don't want them anymore. And let's go also to the controller to check if there is anything. So index code brain, it's returning these things. All right, so if we go to the about, we will get this thing. Okay, so let's do the same thing we did with the welcome. With the about page, we deleted this section and we deleted this section. And let's try to run this as it is to see what will happen. Okay, so if we run this, we will get a plain HTML without styling, without anything. So if we inherit extend, I don't know why does my autocomplete types double at. It was layout dot app, and we will define a section, content, and we will also close this content section. Okay, so if we save this file and refreshed our browser, all right, it worked. So that is how you structure your front end. It's a big benefit for big projects. If you have 15 files or more, it will be very helpful for you and it will make your life easier. So that is it for this video. I hope you took something useful for you and see you in the next one. Bye.